vlog. So today is Monday the 13th of December. Almost said January then. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Morgan's trying to hit my thumb like down on the bench here because I said hit the thumbs up down below, so he's seeing my thumb.
Yeah, I think they get it.
So I have just done this makeup look to film a video today. I used Erica's collab palette to create the eyeshadow and I used Center of Attention face paint palette for the little Christmas lights. The top I'm wearing today is from Rangtira. It's another one of my Christmas ones. They basically got me dressed for the whole month of December now. I just filmed a craft video, which hopefully I will edit and get up this week before you're seeing the vlog. But I think that's about it. We got Evie. So anyways, I've worked all day today and then I filmed, and now we're having a leftover roast for dinner and going to chill out and get ready for an early morning tomorrow morning again to repeat it all.
Evie!
Yeah, Evie. Hey, you're wearing a Christmas shirt too.
Yeah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy.
Hey guys, welcome to the 15th of December. It is Wednesday today. I'm absolutely shattered. I have done 3 full days in a row at work. I've just gone to the shops and picked up our groceries because I missed the delivery cutoff. I just got the direct to the boot one though. I've just got home, so I need to relax and rest now because I still have work tomorrow. I am working 4 days this week, 4 full days, because I'm training some other people up. And yeah, I am working around their schedule so they can do 4 days this week. So I'm doing 4 days with them, but I am already shattered, so I don't know how I'm gonna feel. I realized yesterday, the 14th, I forgot to do my advent calendar, so I thought I'd quickly jump on and do it today. But let's go in and grab a parcel. Let's grab this one. So this is going to be day 7 of my 12 days of Christmas. I can't believe how close we are. I'm still waiting for one more Christmas present to come in. It's meant to arrive, I think, on Friday. And then I'm still needing to buy one more, but I don't know what I'm gonna buy. So, yeah. Ooh, it's a highlighting stick. It's a holographic highlighting stick. How exciting. I love how the packaging is holographic as well, and it's like nice and light. I'm not sure if you can see in there, so hopefully it will look really good on my skin tone. So that is day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. But yeah, have you guys sorted out everything for Christmas? So by the time you're watching this, I think it'll be the 20th, or maybe even the 21st if I don't get it up Monday, of December. So are you guys all sorted for Christmas yet? Are you excited? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you're doing for Christmas as well. I will still vlog for Christmas and everything. I'll try and get as much footage as I can. We are hosting Christmas, so we have lots of people coming. Well, lots of people for us. So yeah, I have pretty much finished doing everything. I still wanted to make one more DIY project, but I don't know if I'm gonna get around to it because I'm just with training and everything, I'm running out of time. Hi guys, quick check-in. It is Thursday the 16th of December today. I always said September for some reason then. I was meant to work all day today, but I haven't been able to. I did 2 hours and then I had to log off. I'm really not feeling well. I didn't sleep last night either. So I went back to bed, had a few hours sleep, thank goodness. And then I've basically just been sitting in the shower or using my heat packs because I'm really, really sore. I've been trying to get the blue out of my hair as well. This is where I'm at with it at the moment. So yeah, I've washed my hair like every day this week, like multiple times a day. I just quickly gave it a quick blow dry to see how much more is left because I'm actually going to the hairdresser tomorrow morning. And I want to put a different color in it this time, but I don't know if we're going to be able to because I need this blue to be gone first. And I don't really want to bleach it, but I will probably do one more wash later, see if I can get it a little bit lighter. But if not, I may end up having to stick with this until it washes out. So as I said, I'm not feeling the best today. I'm about to cook dinner. It's actually 4 p.m. in the afternoon now, almost 4:30 actually. I'm about to pre-cook dinner because I'm going to take some meds and see if I can get an early night tonight and try and praying for some sleep. I'm going to try the concoction that Morgan gave me the other week, or last week I think it was, and see if I can get some sleep tonight because yeah, I'm shattered. But I wanted to quickly jump on and update you guys with what's been going on. And it is time to do day 8 of the advent calendar because it's the 16th today. So let's jump in and grab a little present. I feel weird because I did the 14th yesterday. So I feel like as I've only just done one, but it's because I forgot about it and did it late. Let's see, only 5 presents left. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and the last one, which I'm not allowed to open to the last day. I think I might open up the big one. I want to see what this big one is. So let's open it up. Ooh, okay, it's the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and it is broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen included in it. Where's the shade name? On the top. Fair 120N, neutral with beige undertones. That's probably me. So that's exciting because I have been wanting to try out this CC cream. I can't talk because I'm so tired and exhausted. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a try and I can't wait to try everything from the advent calendar. e.l.f. is such a good brand, so I really love that we chose e.l.f. this year. Morning guys, welcome to Friday I think it's the 17th today. Yes, 17th. It is 7:50 a.m. right now. I'm in Perth. I'm just at a fuel station right now. I just had to grab myself an energy drink because, you know, not sleeping and I'm driving and I'm like so tired. So yeah, I just grabbed myself an energy drink. Just heading to my hairdresser appointment. I'm like 2 minutes away from where she is, so just wasting a bit of time. So thought I'd do a check-in, see what my hair looks like currently, and it will be different when you see me next. But yeah, I'm going to the hairdressers. I have an appointment, then I'm meeting my mother-in-law later back closer to home today, and we're going to go shopping to start the Christmas like food shopping. So we're going to hopefully grab the ham today so then we don't leave it till last minute. Just anything that can last we're going to try and grab today, and we might go for lunch or coffee or something somewhere, which will be nice. But yeah, that's about it. I am sending a package to someone and they are overseas, and I sent it on, I think it was Monday I sent it, and I just got a notification overnight that it was declined by customs because there's dangerous goods in there. So I mean, like, trying to think, what did I put in there that was dangerous? And I put a gag gift on top, and I think it might have a battery in it. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but yeah, I was like, I read the list, I made sure that there would be like no paint, no nail polish, you know, no aerosol cans or anything, no spray cans, nothing like that, no batteries. But I didn't think that the gag gift, like with the battery in it, I just didn't think of that. So I think that's what it is. So I'm hoping that they deliver it back to me today so I can take that out and resend it straight away. So I was trying to get it there before Christmas. I paid for express postage, but I don't think it's going to get there now before Christmas. So hopefully by New Year's. But yeah, anyway, this is what my hair looks like. And let me know down in the comments what color you think I'm going now. If she can't get the blue out, then I will still be blue, but if she can get it out, what color do you think I'll be going? Hi guys, welcome to Saturday the 18th of December. I was just going through my phone deleting some clips, and I accidentally deleted the after clip of after I got my hair done. So I'm refilming this part. I've put the same t-shirt back on just so that I wasn't in my pajamas. But let me reveal on my hair. Now, obviously it's not perfect because it's the next day now. But did you leave your comments down below of what color you think I went? We did have to change our plan a little bit because I could not get the blue out of my hair. We bleached it twice and it is stuck. So this color was actually meant to be all the underneath of my hair. So when I put it up, like the top was blonde and the underneath was this color. But we had to do like sort of like an ombre sort of look because of the blue being there. So let's reveal it. It is red. So up here is the red that it was meant to be. Now down below where it's like that wine sort of color, almost purple, that is because the blue that was stuck in my hair. So we did test a very small patch at the bottom just to see what color it would go if we put the red over top, because it was looking a bit more on the green side. So, you know, green's not a primary color. So we thought it might turn brown, but it actually turned like this nice wine color. It looks better in real life. I'll see if I can get some pictures and add it in as well. But yeah, I've now got my blonde hair, then red and ombreing down to that purpley wine color. I'm really, really happy with it. But yeah, originally it was meant to be all the underneath of my hair just for something different because I have had the ends dyed for a little bit now. But just because we can't get that blue out, that's why it's had to be like this. And I'm probably going to be like this for at least one more go around as well because of the blue not coming out. We're going to need to cut it all out, and that's too much to cut off at once for me. So let's jump in to the advent calendar. So we have 4 presents left. This one I can't open till the last day. So seeing as there's 2 in this pattern, I think I'm going to open up one of these. Let's go with the long one. So it is day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas. Ooh, this got a red top. Ooh, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Ooh, it's a red lipstick. Seriously, satin pepper lipstick. Ooh, I've never tried this. You can hear any noise in the background. Morgan's just got home, so he's playing with the girls. Match my red hair. So very excited about that. I'm not sure if it's picking up the exact color, but it's like almost this packaging color. So it will match my hair nicely. Super exciting. So we've got 3 more presents left, which will be done in next week's vlog because tomorrow will be the 19th. So it's an odd day, so we don't need to open up one tomorrow.
Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Tidings for Christmas and a happy new year.
Hey guys, welcome to a Sunday the 19th of December. Just a quick check-in. We've had a very busy day today. We got the backyard all ready for Christmas, mowed all the lawns, put some sea salt down, etc, etc, etc. Pressure hose the fences as well to get rid of all the spider webs and stuff and clean it all up nicely. I am actually sunburnt on my neck. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that at all. You can probably see it here. Oh, it's coming around now. It's on the front of me too. Oh no, it's everywhere. Oh dear. I got very sunburned. Yeah, must have been because I was covered. Like I was covered here. So yeah, we've had a busy day. I bulk cooked some soup. So I made cauliflower soup for my lunches. It's like endo friendly for me, and Morgan's mum likes it as well, so we just brought her over some and the things that she had left at my place the other day, because we had to go and fill up my car and grab a package from the fuel station. I didn't know that fuel stations do packages, but apparently they do now. So yeah, I had to go pick that up as well. So now we're just heading home. It's actually 7:35 p.m. right now. We're gonna head home, have some dinner and chill out. I'm very, 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 very sore right now. I'm very tired as well. But I'm back to work tomorrow for 3 full days. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get through it. I might end up doing half days at this stage, depending on how I feel. Because yeah, I'm very sore. But I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. I'm going to end it off here because yeah, we're just having dinner and then relaxing for the rest of the night. But if you did enjoy this week's vlog, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys.